Developing a web application using Python involves various steps and tools. Here's a concise guide. Choose a framework. Python offers several web frameworks such as Django and Flask. Select one that aligns with your project's requirements and your familiarity with the framework. Learn Python. If you aren't already proficient in Python, start by mastering the language, including data structures, functions, and libraries. Conceptualize your app. Define the purpose and features of your app. Consider the target audience and the problem your app will address. Design your web app. Plan the user interface and app functionality. Create wireframes or mockups to guide your design. Code your app. Write Python code to implement your web app's functionality, following the chosen framework's guidelines. For example, Django uses models, views, and templates. Test your web app. Rigorously test your app's functionality, fix any bugs, and ensure it performs as expected. Database integration. If your app requires a database, integrate one using an object relational mapping like Django's ORM or SQL Alchemy. Optimize performance. Enhance your app's performance by writing efficient code, managing resources, and using caching mechanisms. Security. Implement security measures to protect your app from common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Deployment. Host your app on a web server and configure it for production use. Platforms like Heroku, AWS, or a traditional web hosting provider can be used. Maintenance and support. Regularly update your app, gather user feedback, and provide customer support to address issues and improve the user experience. Scaling and monetization. As your app grows, consider scaling options and explore monetization strategies such as ads, subscriptions, or premium features.